Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready: an Xbox 360, GTA V installed, and an active Xbox Live Gold subscription. Connect your console to the internet using Ethernet or a stable Wi-Fi signal since latency affects matchmaking. Once done, launch GTA V and at the title screen choose Online. You'll select Play GTA Online, then create character when prompted. Follow the on-screen sliders to shape appearance and basic traits. Make sure to save and accept the initial tutorial invite so you can enter your first session. Next, you control the session type and settings to match your goals. From the online menu, pick Invite only for safe play, friends or crew to team up, or public if you want open matchmaking. This affects griefing risk and mission access. Make sure to configure voice chat and passive mode in the interaction menu, and tweak controller dead zone if aiming feels off. After joining, complete the tutorial missions to earn starter cash and unlock basic weapons. Then use your in-game phone to buy a cheap vehicle and essential gear. Finally, you transition from starter tasks to steady progression. Prioritize contact missions and heists for the largest payouts, making sure you join a reliable crew and complete prep jobs before the finale. Invest in an apartment with a heist room and a garage to store vehicles and protect your assets, and spend cash on weapon and vehicle upgrades to stay competitive. If problems occur, troubleshoot by clearing the system cache, restarting the console, checking NAT type, or switching to wired Ethernet to reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.